This is Melissa thinking about saving money. What are you thinking about, Melissa?
I'm thinking about we haven't done much to save money lately.
You were ranting?
No, I wasn't ranting. I was just talking about how, I mean, it's not that we've like overspent or spent extravagantly or anything. We just haven't done a lot of like specific money saving things as we had been previously. But I guess that's all good too, because we are not, we're staying within our budget. I think we had a couple of things that came up that were unexpected, but we have an emergency fund that we can use. And, there's just been nothing major. I will say though, for this week, I have 2 turkey breasts in the freezer that I got for free. At our grocery store, you can collect points for money that you spend on groceries, and then you can either use it toward gas or around the holiday times, whether it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, or the Easter holiday, you can collect the points and redeem them for free or discounted things. And I haven't had enough points at Thanksgiving and at Christmas both that we got 2 free turkey breasts, one at each time. And we do the breast because we don't like dark meat, and really dark meat kind of just, I'll use it maybe in some things, but really it's not our favorite. And for us, it's not money saving to get a whole turkey and have part of it just go to waste because we don't like the dark meat. So turkey breasts work much better for us. And so anyway, I also have enough points now that it's the Easter holiday that I can get another free turkey breast. So I'm cooking up a free turkey breast today in the oven. I'm going to roast it, and then we're going to have it in different dishes basically all week long. So we are going to have free protein this week for as long as it'll last, and then I can just take the rest of it and make soup, and we'll have very inexpensive turkey soup. So that's what I'm doing this week to save money on Money Counts Monday. I also made some pumpkin muffins for the puppy, so when he has digestive issues. I just got a can of pumpkin on sale at the store, and I just scooped it up into little bitty muffin tins and then froze them. And so whenever he's having some tummy issues, I can just pop one out and give it to him, and he's got a frozen pumpkin pop that he can eat on and help with his belly.
Tobin Pumpkin Pops.
Tobin's Pumpkin Pops, yes. So basically that's what I've done this week to save money on Money Counts Monday. But I think that's also a good lesson. It doesn't mean that Money Counts Monday doesn't mean that you have to have gotten out there and gotten the greatest deal, or you had to save a ton of money somewhere doing something. It also means you're just staying within your budget.
Good point, Melissa.
Yeah.
So...
You asked what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. So I hope you guys have a great week, and we ask also that you hit the thumbs up to like our video. That helps us a lot. Subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications for when we have new videos posted. And we are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
And share our videos with your friends and family.
Videos with your friends.